Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to record the screen on iPad with video and audio. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that might help you with our topic in this video. First, on your iPad, we swipe down on your top right like this, and you should be able to see your control center. We hold on a blank space until it looks like this, and you should be able to see this add a control option, so tap on that. And in here, we can search for record, and we tap on screen recording, and it should be added like this. Once that is done, we just tap on the center and it should be saved on our control center. Now again, to access your control center, let's swipe down to the top right, and to screen record, just simply click on the screen record button that we just added, and it should count down like that, and it should immediately start recording your screen like this. Once you're done with recording, just click on the red button at the top right to stop your recording, and this window will pop up, so just tap on stop again. And it will then notify you that it is saved to photos. You can tap on that, and you can then see your recording from your camera roll. Now if you want to include audio, let's scroll down from the top right. From here, we press and hold on our screen record button and make sure that microphone is turned on like this. Just click on the microphone icon and it should be turned on like that. You can then tap on start recording and it should then record your screen along with your audio from your iPad's microphone. Again, to stop, just click on the record button at the top and stop again. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.